Hello, today we're going to show you how OnStation's measuring tool works. To access the tools, tap the ruler button on the right side. There are 4 different measuring options, starting with a straight line. You can use the crosshairs to capture a specific station, or you can tap with your finger at your second point. Readouts are available in feet, yard, and miles. Additionally, you can freehand draw with your finger to capture distances. You can use polygon shapes, square feet, square yards, square acres, and finally, you can freehand a polygon shape as well. Hit the copy paste button, snap a screenshot, use this as information to document more out in the field with OnStation. Enjoy.